We all know from the first year these are the brachial arches, and we have six brachial arches, in which fifth one will be disappear during development of fetus. So that's what I wrote here. During development of fetus, the fifth arch disappears. So let me explain the brachial arches first. Before going into the brachial arches, let me tell you one interesting fact. We all developed from the fish, right? So, like, first there are water animals, and from water amphibians, and we the humans. In water we have gills. Like, not we, like fishes have gills, right? So this also called as gills arches. It can be called also as brachial arches and or gills arches. Let's dig into the topic. In this brachial arches, we have ectodome, endodome, and mesodome. The, the red color one you are seeing is the endodermal lip, and the blue color one you are seeing is the ectodermal lip. As this appears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are the pharyngeal arches, and the endodermal lip has, when there is a lip like this, like a pit it is called as cleft. And ectodermal pit, this one is called as the pouch. Cleft is different from the pouch. So here's the difference. So around first cleft, we have six mesodermal thickenings, which fuses to form pinna, which fuses to form pinna, a single elastic arteries. So I summarized everything that is there in the textbook. From the first arch, there is a development of tragus. We all know what the tragus is. I'll show you the picture of it. See, the image you are seeing is the ear. Here you are seeing the tragus. This is called as the tragus. So from the first arch, there is a development of tragus and also ascending crest of helix. Ascending crest of helix is nothing but the small part. This is called the small part of ascending crest of helix. This one. This is the ascending crest of helix, and this is the tragus. And from the second arch, there is a rest of pinna. We see in the tragus and ascending part of helix is developed from the first arch, and rest of the pinna is developed from the second arch. And we all know the ossicles, right? Malleus, incus, and stapes. These malleus, incus are developed from the first arch, and stapes suprastructure is developed from the second arch. This otic capsule is actually part of inner ear. Like this foot plate is developed from the otic capsule. And the first cleft, we all discussed this is the cleft and this is the pouch. This is the first cleft and this is the first pouch. So from the first cleft, there is a development of external auditory canal, and from the first pouch, there is a development of middle ear cleft. Middle ear cleft is nothing but the combination of eustachian tube and middle ear cavity and the mastoid antrum. The thing to remember is mastoid is actually not fully developed by birth. It is developed to bony by adult. This mastoid antrum is fully developed by birth. And this is nothing but note to remember. This organ of Carti is actually developed in the trimester stage during the 20 weeks. And the middle ear and the inner ear are completely developed by birth. And its auditory canal is cartilaginous by birth, develops to bony by adult. And there's one more thing I want to tell, the tympanic membrane. This tympanic membrane is developed by three layers, that is ectodome, endodome, and mesodome. This tympanic membrane is the one which is developed by three embryonic layers, three germinal layers.